I don't know if this is the correct way to sit in this steamer here, or if I'm just sitting like this because I'm naturally a huge slut and this is my natural position. What's up, bitches? I'm back again with another ridiculously stupid video. That's right, you guys. Today, I am going to get my vagina steamed. That's right. I don't really know what this is all going to entail, but I'm ready to get some, you know, juices flowing up in there. I don't know.
My focus was to create a space that you could come and like sit and relax. Like if you needed an hour to yourself, you know, women, mothers, sisters, aunties, whatever. The other thing is that the healing aspect of the steams is really and truly there. I have 5 different steams. The first steam is the general detox steam. I recommend that, you know, if you're not having any particular issues, it's just kind of like you have cramps or you're just trying to refresh or you're trying to detox. The general detox uses rose, chamomile, lavender, rosemary, and an herb called mugwort, which is an antibacterial, which I actually grow. You know, sit over it. You might have to adjust. Spread some boob juice a little bit. Scoop back, and then.
Okay, yeah, I got the spot.
You got the spot?
Woo!
Can you feel the herbs?
I feel like it'll hit me. Ooh, there was just another of steam. It's like if a fuckboy was just like vaping right in the money hole right there. Vape Nish. How's he doing? Vape Nish. Yeah. As I sit here and have this really relaxing steam session, I can forget about all the bullshit that goes on at my job. Dealing with like 5 men at the same time. I'm not a porn star, by the way. I'm an accountant. It sounded bad. Wow. This smells like curry. This smells like yummy ass curry. Should get some lip gloss on that. But I was surprised, like, it was very simple ingredients. I think it was like rose and some lavender and some herbs that she was growing out in her garden. I was expecting her to say like, you know, just the most exotic ingredients, like, oh, we have like a hair of a virgin who lost her virginity at a Nickelback concert, some corn from Native Americans 400 years ago, and then just like some fucking Baja Blast and some purple drink, and just mix that shit up and have it come right through the money hole, you know? I feel like a college co-ed trying to ride a guy for the first time in this straddle pose. Can we just appreciate how beautiful it is in this home studio? Like, look how well decorated everything is, and it smells freaking amazing in here, by the way. There's like a little window here. I wonder if like neighbors just see a bunch of like college girls doing a V-steam party together. Like, what do they think? It's like the same thing when Chris Hansen like busts those child molesters in the same house. I feel like the neighbors are always probably like, oh, back at it. It smells really good. It smells like tea. One in a lifetime chance that you get to buy or you get to win because of Missy's Yoni steam water, okay? And all you gotta do is like all your exes and follow them back on Instagram and Facebook and send me $10,000. And then you guys will get to walk home with my Yoni water. I wonder if there's like a steam if I wanna like have my kid be have certain genes, you know what I mean? Like just a little bit more rosemary if you want your kid to look like Ed Sheeran. Do I look like the Little Mermaid?
Sure.
I don't know when, I don't know how, but you're gonna eat this Yoni right now. There's a neighbor just picking flowers outside. Hi sir, just... Okay, you guys, I just finished my Yoni steam and I feel fucking amazing. But also, you guys, she gave me some dank ass like little treats here. I have like this balm, and I think this is like a scrub, and also for, I think this is like shea butter. It smells really fucking amazing. I'm definitely gonna use this. So yeah, I'm super happy. Like the best like $40 I've ever spent in my life, literally. So I'm happy. I'll see you guys in my next video where I get my next crack. Bye.